what I am doing, you just need to copy me. Our CD always says that clapping makes 30%. Life more, you will live 30% more. So I want you to start clapping, but not with your hands, with your finger. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Do you know Budh Mudra? Budh Mudra?
No.
Okay?
Yeah.
Touch your chin. I said chin, not chi. So this is the attention tape. Listen and see, both at a time. Thank you. Hello Vishal, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine, Ganesh. Tell me.
I am so happy that you got your succession plan constructed from me. Now I can assure you your family will enjoy your wealth.
Thanks, Priyesh. Your services are great. The best part I liked about his services is you have educated and empowered my family to understand where my wealth is lying and how to ensure that they get their fair share of my business when I am not around.
Great. So what is happening about your 400 flat project in Neeral?
It is expected to start soon. But overall, I'm fed up with all my old vendors, all the cheating that happens in the industry. And I'm looking for an entire new line of vendors, professionals, who can actually help me out to restart the entire layout.
So what kind of person do you want?
I'm looking for anybody and everybody who is related with the construction and the real estate development industry.
Okay, good. I have somebody. I'll contact. I'll just call him and hand over the phone to you. हेलो मुंद्रा।
हाँ कैसा भाई?
अरे कटे बाया।
बस इधर ही बोल।
अच्छा मेरा फ्रेंड है विशाल बिल्डर है। उसको सीमेंट रेती कुछ चाहिए तो दे 1 मिनट।
हाँ बोलिए नंदरा जी।
हाँ कैसा विशाल जी?
बस आप बताइए।
हाँ मैं आपको सीमेंट एग्रीगेट लाइटवेट ब्लॉक जो भी आपकी बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन रिक्वायरमेंट है वो दे सकता हूँ क्योंकि हम लोग बॉम्बे में नंबर 1 है अल्ट्राटेक सीमेंट में।
तो अपन एक चीज करते हैं, लेट अस मीट एट नेक्स्ट वीक।
या
with my architect, so he can give you all the quantity requirements with the schedules.
राइट। अच्छा सर
बोलिए।
आपको टाइल्स का वेंडर भी लगेगा?
है क्या कोई आपके पहचान में?
हाँ एक मेरा मित्र है करीम शाह, मैं उसको आपके नंबर देता हूँ आपको कॉल करेगा।
ठीक है।
ओके थैंक यू।
Hello Vishal ji, I'm Karin Shah from Ceramic Decor. Mundra ji is giving me your reference.
हाँ बोलिए परीम भाई, I was expecting your call. बताइए।
Sir, we are into imports of tiles. We import tiles from Spain, Italy and China. Our product range starts from 20 rupees and goes up to 2000 rupees. We also cater to project sales like that of yours. Tell me what is your requirement?
I've got an approximate requirement of 5 lakh square feet. Can you do the needful?
Yeah, surely sir.
So let's do one thing. Let's meet up again next week.
Okay.
That time I will have all my schedules in place.
Okay sir.
Let's do that. Okay, tell me one thing. Do you have solution? What are the solutions and options you'll give for facades?
Sir, I don't do facades, but I can introduce you to an associate who deals in a very unique product.
Yeah.
If you want, you can visit his orientation center for better understanding of his product. I can forward you his address.
Yeah, please do that.
Okay.
I'll end up at his office.
Sure.
Thanks.
Hello sir, how can I help you?
Yeah, hi. So, Mr. Parin gave me a reference.
Oh, you Vishal?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I was looking for an exterior solution for the building, for facades.
Vishal, I've got a very unique product. This product can be used for over 100 applications. This is acid-proof, alkali-proof, UV-proof, scratch-proof, waterproof and fire-proof. And you can reduce your electricity consumption in your project by 33% by using this product in your project.
So also do you do mock-ups?
I'll do mock-up for you on site. Based on the mock-up, you can take the approvals from your architect and from there we can take it up.
But I mean, who's going to be responsible for protecting your entire facades and wherever I install it in the course of the construction against damages, the POP and the other costs?
Vishal, I've got a very close friend of mine. He's got an office very nearby. Let me see if he's around. I'll just try to call him.
Yeah.
Jayesh bhai,
Hello? Yeah?
how are you, Jayesh bhai?
Oh, very fine.
Are you around?
Yeah, I am there nearby your office.
Can you come down to my office? I've got a friend of mine over here who's looking for something which you have.
Okay, it just take 5 minutes to
Can
reach there.
you get some samples also?
Yeah, it's lying with me.
Please come.
Yeah, please. Thanks.
Hi,
Hello,
Jayesh.
sir. Hi.
How are you?
Very fine.
He's Vishal.
Oh, hi, Vishal. Hello, Jay. Tell me. Sir, I have a unique product which you can protect your flooring with this bubble sheet used on your flooring.
Okay.
So you can do any interior work, whatever you want to do. And I have another unique product which can prevent the cracks on your walls, which is a very common problem in India and in Bombay also. So this is the product which can use as a fibers.
Okay.
Yeah, and you can ask for any time if you want anything.
I will do one thing is I'll put you onto my meeting the team of the PMC.
Yes, sir.
Project Management Consultant. We can take it forward from there.
This guy is very latest and innovative in the product he deals
Sounds
in.
good.
Vishal, just one more thing. Are you looking out for something in air conditioning and as well as in lighting systems?
Yeah, actually I know an AC guy, but he's pretty expensive and unreliable. Do you know someone in AC who's really good?
I've got a very good friend of mine. His name is Joseph. I'll just make sure that he gets in touch with you regarding the same. I'll make sure he contacts you for the same.
Yeah, okay, fine, that sounds good. And for lighting, do you know someone?
Yeah, Fahad. I'll put you on for lighting also. I
Yeah.
think, but I'll make sure that these guys are connected to you.
Yeah, please do that.
Yeah.
That would be great.
Sir, I'll just keep the
Yeah.
sample with you.
Yeah.
I'll be taking a move, sir.
Yeah.
Let me see.
See you. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
After a few days, estate planner and buddy Mr. Priyesh Sampath visits Vishal's office again.
विशाल भाई क्या खबर मुंद्रा जी से मुलाकात हुई?
अरे मुंद्रा जी से मुलाकात होनी बाकी है, डिटेल्स बाकी है, पर क्या हो गया, गजब हो गया, मुझे लाइन से एक पे एक रेफरल मिल के मेरी काफी प्रॉब्लम है सॉल्व हो गई है।
क्या बात है, क्या बात है?
इनफैक्ट अभी एक जोश करके आने वाले मुझे मिल
अरे
रहे
ठंडी हवा का झोंका जो अपना जोसेफ जोस।
हाँ जोश
अरे बढ़िया काम करता है, ट्रस्ट मी, सुपर मैन। वाओ,
अरे ग्रेट
मैं भी मिलता हूँ।
ही इज कम। अरे हाय जोसेफ।
Hello sir, I'm Joseph Jose from Online Technique. Hi Priyesh.
हाय जोस, हाउ आर यू डूइंग ब्रदर?
Great. Sir,
Joseph, could you tell me what is your area of expertise now?
sir, we do turnkey air conditioning project, but Sumit did brief me about your requirement.
Right.
For your project, I have a unique product, a mini VRF centralized system.
Right.
It is space saving as well as commercially very effective. And not just that, it can further add value to your product as the project, as your running cost is really low.
Okay,
So
fine.
yeah.
Joes, I have been meeting up with my electrical people. So let's do that and then take it forward from there.
Sure.
I'll send you my drawings in the meantime.
Yeah,
Okay,
Thank you.
thanks Joes.
बाय ब्रदर।
Thanks, Priyesh.
या अभी प्रियेश भाई चले क्या? अब मैं जा रहा हूँ गोरेगांव यार अपना इससे मिलने को फहद भाई के शोरूम लाइटिंग वाले।
चलो
चलते हैं।
Welcome to India Heights.
Thanks. I'm Vishal here. Mr. Sumit gave me your reference.
I had an idea. He informed me. Priyesh bhai, कैसे हो आप? Good.
Tell me.
So we are into LED lights. We basically supply lights for all sorts of application, right? From panel lights to shielding lights, street lights, anything under LED, you can name it, and we have it, sir.
बट एक चीज बताओ फहद भाई, ये एक साल की तो गारंटी दे देते हो,
जी।
जब तक पोजेशन और ऑक्यूपेशन जाते हैं साल भर निकल जाता
सर एक साल नहीं, हमारे प्रोडक्ट स्टार्ट होते हैं विद 3 year वारंटी, मिनिमम 3 year वारंटी. फॉर सम ऑफ आवर स्ट्रीट लाइट्स वी प्रोवाइड अप टू 5 years वारंटी. So that would never be a problem.
तो बहुत महंगा पड़ता होगा।
नहीं सर, you will pay us a price, but we'll be providing you value for money. आप मार्केट में जाके चेक कर सकते हैं. We are very competitively priced. At the same time, we have warranty as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
तो we'll do one thing is कि could you send me the samples of कल मेरे
Yeah,
switches
definitely.
वगैरह आ रहे हैं।
एक मिनट, मैं घर पे एसी बंद करना भूल गया हूँ, मैं
Yeah.
बाद में मिलता हूँ। बाद में ओके।
आपके ऊपर वही नहीं हुए.
So I believe my switches people are coming over tomorrow with the samples.
Which people?
Switches बटन वाले आ रहे हैं।
Ding dong.
Ding dong बटन वाले आ रहे हैं।
सर ऑटोमेशन का जमाना है और आप डिंग डोंग यूज कर रहे हैं.
ये ऑटोमेशन होता क्या?
सर आई कनेक्ट यू टू वन ऑफ माय कलीग्स हु इज इनटू ऑटोमेशन. आप एक बार उससे मिल लीजिए. आप यू फॉरगेट अबाउट स्विचेस फॉरएवर.
Okay.
So I'll just speak with him. Hello, Sikandar. Sikandar, I've got a friend of mine here, Mr. Vijay, who's a builder. He wants to know about automation. I'll just give him the phone. Please मुझे जरा बता दीजिए.
बिल्कुल.
हाँ हेलो बोलिए सिकंदर जी।
या विशाल जी, हाउ आर यू?
आई एम फाइन सिकंदर जी बताइए।
सर आपको ऑटोमेशन में ना, वी आर ऑटोमेशन मैन्युफैक्चरर,
हाँ।
तो आपके प्रॉपर्टी के लिए ना वी कैन गिव यू, सपोज कीजिए ना आप अगर जो ऑटोमेशन में ना लाइट भूल गए ऑफ करना, तो आप अभी अपने मोबाइल से ना अपने घर की लाइट और एसी सारी चीजें ऑफ कर सकते
तो आप ऐसे टीवी गीजर एसी भी बंद कर सकते हो?
हैं। या बिल्कुल जो भी सिस्टम पे कनेक्टेड वो सारी चीजें आप
तो ये बहुत महंगा पड़ता होगा।
नहीं सर, वी आर मैन्युफैक्चरर, वी कैन गिव यू अ वेरी गुड प्राइसिंग फॉर योर प्रोजेक्ट।
ओके तो आप एक चीज बताइए, तो ये जो अभी आप इतना करते हो तो ये सीसीटीवी और सबका भी कोटेशन आप भेज सकते हो क्या साथ?
सॉरी सर, हम लोग सीसीटीवी नहीं करते हैं,
हाँ।
बट आई एम वेरी गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ माइंड मिस्टर नितिन चांगानी,
हाँ।
वो आपको ना वेरी गुड सर्विस और विद वेरी गुड प्रोडक्ट है ना प्रोवाइड करेंगे।
ठीक है तो अपन को जरा मेरे को फोन मारने
आई
को
आई
बोलिएगा।
आई विल गिव योर नंबर टू हिम,
हाँ।
आई विल गिव यू कॉल।
ओके फाइन
थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir. Vishal.
लेट्स कैच।
Hello.
या निखिल टेल मी।
Yeah, is that Mr. Vishal?
या
Hi, Sikandar gave you a reference.
Yeah, I was expecting a call. Tell me, Nikhil.
Yeah, actually, he was telling me that you have a requirement for some society.
Yeah, I think I must have sent you the details. It's a 4-acre project
Correct.
which we need to encompass and ensure the right security and fire solutions for it.
Okay, okay. So what we can do for you is we can plan out a whole solution where we can give you CCTV coverage for your project, and we can also do the video door phone units for the flats.
So let's do one thing. I'll have my drawings mailed to you. Just please message me your mail ID.
Sure.
And then let's take the discussion forward and
I'll plan
our
it.
cabinet.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Thanks.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, thanks. Bye.
After few days, Vishal accidentally meets Sumit at a bar.
Fantastic, Vishal. How are you doing? I'm sure it will be one day before the schedule which is given to you.
Great, great. Sumit, now you've got to help me. Really help me out big time.
Tell me.
I've got a lot of things in place. यार ये मॉड्यूलर फर्नीचर में बहुत झोल है मुझे समझ में नहीं आता how to tackle it and how is the solution you can give me can you help me on that also?
Vishal, are you a morning person by any chance?
No.
Vishal, just make sure that one day you get up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Can you do that?
You'll have to wake me up if you want me to come here. That's like it's 7 o'clock. Nobody has breakfast, right?
I'll ensure that I wake you up in the morning and we can take you to a place where all your problems will be met at one place.
Let's do that.
Sure, we can.
I'll be waiting for your call in the morning.
Sure.
6 o'clock.
Sumit invites Vishal for BNI Evolve chapter meeting.
Excuse me, Pooja.
Hi.
Pooja, he's Vishal. He's coming out to the project in Karchar.
Yeah, hi, Pooja.
And he has some modular furniture requirement. Can you take it up from here?
Okay.
Pooja, tell me how can you help me?
Yeah, I'm into modular kitchens basically. It is an Italian brand and for projects specially we can give you a kitchen starting from range of 30-40,000 and can go up to 3-4 lakh rupees when it is in bulk.
And usually what are the time delivery schedule required?
100 kitchens I can deliver in just like 2 months.
Great, great, great. We'll do one thing. I'll give you my card. We'll
Super.
take it forward. I'll ask my
Okay.
architect to have a word with you. So we can create the layouts and see how we can take it
Great.
forward.
This is my car.
Yeah,
Pleasure
thanks.
meeting you.
Yeah, you too.
Okay.
Thanks, thanks.
Hi, sir.
Hi, Gaurav.
How are you, sir?
When you're doing furniture,
Yes,
modulars.
sir. We represent a brand called Dixon Furniture. We got a showroom in Andheri West. We also do sample flats, sir. Can I get to know your requirement, please?
I'm looking at setting up a mock flat.
Correct.
As well as that providing value-added services
Correct.
of bulk purchases to my customers.
Correct. We do a lot of sample flats as well. If you can give us the opportunity, we can definitely do one of the flat of yours and then make an example of that.
Yeah. You can have my visiting card.
Yeah.
Let's meet up and take it forward from there.
Why don't you meet the other members as well?
Yeah, tell me.
Mr. Ashutosh? Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, Vishal. This is Ashutosh Srivastav.
What is this international real estate?
I'm a professional property investor. I help businessmen, professionals who are earning about 2 to 3 lakhs to invest in UK.
Okay.
And you really get rental yield of about 8 to 15%. And,
15% on rentals.
and of course, the return of investment is about 20%.
What are the kind of investments are you be looking? UK बोलेंगे बहुत महंगा रहेगा ना?
No. We see multiples of 30, 60 and 90 lakhs. And we also like provide you loan at the rate of 6% per annum, which is very cheap as compared to
Fantastic.
India.
That sounds very good.
Yes.
In fact, I've got certain funds that I would want to commit.
Definitely,
So can we
definitely.
sit up?
Yeah, please,
But
this
tell me
is
one
my
thing. How do you work at repatriation laws and cross-border taxation?
I have a very good friend and very good chartered accountant who takes care about my international taxation. Mr. Kirit Dedia.
Hello.
I will introduce him to him.
Hello,
Everybody seems to be around here.
Yes.
बताइए किरण भाई।
अच्छा ऐसा है कि जो एनआरआई आपके प्रोजेक्ट में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं वो जब प्रोजेक्ट में से जब बाहर निकलना चाहते हैं उनको रेमिट करना होता है मनी आउटसाइड इंडिया तो वहाँ मैं आपको हेल्प कर सकता हूँ उनको एडवाइस दे सकता हूँ कि वो अपना पैसा टैक्स भर के कैसे बाहर ले जा
अगर
सकते
अभी
हैं।
मैंने पैसा आशुतोष जी के साथ लगाया तो क्या?
हाँ अगर आशुतोष जी के साथ आपने अगर कोई भी कंट्री में पैसा लगाया तो वहाँ से जो इनकम जनरेट होगी उसका कैसे टैक्सेशन का बेनिफिट हम देर आर डबल टैक्स अवॉइडेंस एग्रीमेंट्स है इंडिया और वेरियस कंट्रीज के साथ उसमें कुछ टैक्स बेनिफिट होता है वो मैं टैक्स बेनिफिट आपको पास मतलब वो बता सकता हूँ क्या होता है वो।
किरण भाई मुझे एक और चीज है लोकल में भी सिस्टम से टैक्स प्लानिंग में मदद कर सकते हो क्या?
हाँ बिल्कुल लोकल में आपका जो भी टैक्स सेविंग्स है या भी टैक्स लिटिगेशन है या फिर आपका 2 या 4 प्रोजेक्ट चल रहे हैं उसका पूरा मैं MIS सेटअप कर सकता हूँ आपके लिए। ये सारी सर्विसेज हमारी बांद्रा ऑफिस से हम लोग रेंडर करते हैं।
किरण भाई अपन एक ही करते हैं मेरे फाइनेंस टीम के साथ अपन बैठ के अपन लेट्स टेक इट फॉरवर्ड।
थैंक यू सो मच मिलते हैं।
Qualified referrals and the ball is in your court.
Very nice, guys. Well done.
Question answers?
So and there's some silence for question answers, isn't it?
So finally, when is your project going to, I mean,
It will take 3 months. Commencement will take 3 months.
Okay, can we have some questions?
Any,
We have time for 2 questions, please.
Construction will take about 3 months to start.
Any
Possession is about 30
questions
months.
for property power team? Or all your questions are sorted as well?
Seriously,
looks like that, looks like that. Thank you so much, thank you so much.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Say hi. Say hi.
Thanks.